Haga khubor election menen ka sngi ka sarma Nongstoiñ ka lasong shit ka jela election ka baki parti BPP ka sei ki pai ba kamjuru ki kertong ki balayang rynsan jo ka yo Nongstoiñ ka mata persyai ki mat ki jongki ki kertong ki malami rasaman a jengkan ki long uba sanjit changren uban yang nakaseng HS PDP nang tau kertong jo ka UDP uba P Nongstoiñ nang tau kertong jo ka seng Congrad uba Gabriel Walang kumjuru ukertong jaga seng National People's Party ubak Macmillan Bersat. Hakan ni kejuk kesini nak kaliang ujung menteri rang bak kajala Conrad sangma bolong National President jaga seng NPP ulah hiar dekat helikopter bak madan Myriaw nak kata ketinggalap election nak kata seng NPP. Hakabah hakan ni kejuk kesini hidup baru ki parti bagi kertong kila ajeng keren hakan rynsan kabala pelong hapok kayu Myriaw. Oh, here they are.
Move forward has been historic in one way. And today, finally, we are seeing that our state is moving in the right direction. Friends, we have also seen that in the last 5 years, a lot of people had thought that this government will not be able to survive a full 5-year term. But yet, with the blessings of the people and the blessings of the Almighty, we were able to complete the full term of 5 years. And this has happened because this government has been a government, because the NPP has been a party that has kept the people in front in all the decisions that we have taken. We've always kept the people in front in terms of all the work that we have done, and we have kept development as one of the major agendas of the NPP and this government that we have led.
Meghalaya TMC kan wanlam shapi ko Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment Scheme. Hapo kani ka scheme onpen poi pisa shi hajating kashi banai kata khatar hajating kashi snap shaki kinthei haman la kilong yeng kum kala jingkershan bai banai.
Hakane ka apnyo trek urumphang shan ya ka sap jong phi haki artli ki sentio bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.